The payments banks. The payments bank is a new model of banks conceptualized by the Reserve Bank of India. These banks can accept a restricted deposit which is currently limited to 1 lakh per customer. These banks may not issue loan or credit card but may offer both current saving accounts. Payments banks may issue ATM and debit card and offer net banking and the mobile banking. The banks will be licensed as a payment banks under Section 22 of the Banking Regulation Act 1949 and will be registered as a public limited company under the Companies Act 2013 as of February 2020. There are 6 active payment banks: Airtel Payments Banks, Fino Payments Bank, India Post Payments Bank, Jio Payments Bank, NSDL Payments Bank, Paytm Payment Bank, Small Finance Bank. The objective of the financial inclusion, the RBI granted approval in the 2016 to 10 entitled to set up small finance banks. Since then, all 10 have received the necessary license. A small finance bank is a niche type of a bank to the cater to the needs of the people who traditionally have not used scheduled banks. Each of these banks is to open at least 25% of its branches in areas that do not have any other bank branches. Unbanked region, a small finance bank should hold 75% of its net credit in loans to firm and a priority sector lending, and 50% of the loan in its profit portfolio must be less than 25 lakh $38,000. There are 10 small finance banks: AU Small Finance Bank, Capital Small Finance Bank Limited, Equities Small Finance Bank, ESAF Small Finance Bank, Fincare Small Finance Bank, Jana Small Finance Bank, Northeast Small Finance Bank, Suryodaya Small Finance Bank, Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, Utkarsh Small Finance Bank. Banking codes and standards. Banking codes and standards. The Banking Code and Standard Board of India is the independent and autonomous banking industry body that monitors banks in India to improve the quality of the banks and services in the Indian. SS Tarapura, former Deputy Governor of the RBI, had the idea to form this committee. Adoption of banking technologies. Information technology has had a great impact on the Indian banking system. The use of the computer led to the introduction of online banking in India. This use of the computer in the banking sector increased manifold after the economic liberalization of 1991. As the country banking sector has been exposed to the world market, Indian banks were finding it difficult to compete with the international banks in the customer service without the use of the information technology. The RBI set up the member of the committee to define and coordinate banking technology. These have included one in 1994 was formed the Committee on Mechanization in the Banking Industry, whose chairman was Dr. C. Rangarajan, Deputy Governor, Reserve Bank of India. The major recommendation of this committee were introducing MICR technology in all the banks in the metropolises in the India. This provided for the use of the standardized check forms of the encoder. In 1988, the RBI set up the Committee on the Computerization in Banks and headed by Dr. C. Rangarajan, and it emphasizes that the settlement operation must be computerized in the clearing the houses of the RBI in the Bhubaneswar, Guwahati, Jaipur, Patna, and the Thiruvananthapuram. It further stated that there should be national clearing on the intercity checks in Kolkata, Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, and MICR should be made operational. It also focused on the computerization of the branches and increased connectivities among the branches through computers. It also suggested modalities and implementing on the line banking. The committee submitted its report in 1989. Computerization began from the 1993 with the settlement between the IBA and Bank Employees Association. In 1994, the Committee on Technology Issues relating to the payment system, check clearing, and the security settlement in the banking industry was set up under the chairman W.S. Sharif. It emphasizes the electronic funds transfer system with the BankNet and communication network as its carrier. It also said the MICR clearing should be set up in all branches of all those banks with more than 100 branches. In 1995, the Committee for the proposing legalization legislation on the electronic fund transfer and the other electronic payments again emphasizes EFT system. In July 2016, Deputy Governor of the Rama Gandhi of the Central Bank of India urged banks to work to develop applications for the digital currencies and distributed ledger automatical teller machine growth. The total number of the automated tellers machine ATMs installed in the India by the various banks as of 2018 was 238,000. The new private sector banks in India would have the most ATMs, followed by the offside ATMs belonging to the SBI and its subsidiaries, and then by nationalized bank and the foreign banks, while on sit is highest for the nationalized Bank of India check truncation initiative. In 2008, the Reserve Bank of India introducing a system to allow the check truncation and the conversion of the check from the physical form to electronic form when sending to the paying bank in India. The check transaction system, as it was known, was the first rolled out of the National Capital Region and then rolled out nationally. Expansion of the banking infrastructure physically as well as the virtual expansion of banking through mobile banking, internet banking, tail banking, biometric and the mobile ATMs etc. is taking place since last decades and has gained momentum in last few years. Data breaches 2016. Indian banks data breaches. A huge data breach on debit card issued by the various Indian banks was reported in October 2016. It was estimated that 3.2 million debit cards were compromised. Major Indian banks SBI, HDFC banks, ICICI Bank, Yes Bank, Axis Bank were among the worst hit. Many users reported unauthorized use of their cards in the location in China. This resulted in one of the India's biggest card replacement drive in the banking history. The biggest Indian banking states Banks of India announced the blocking and replacement of the almost 600,000 debit cards.